Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Yesterday the video which is released on my YouTube channel, that is the latest update about the NEET MDS 2025 exam date. Yes, today's video is all about related to the questions which you have sent me on my mail in just 2-3 months. Is it possible to crack the NEET MDS examination in 2-3 months? My answer is yes, it is possible. We have 2011 to 2024 past paper with explanations. You can have that PDF, which is the paid PDF set. We have INI CET 20 years paid PDF set. We have oral pathology short notes booklet PDF available online. We have pointers like one line important pointers PDF of all the subjects which are there in NEET MDS examination, covering that 21-22 subjects, right, in case of NEET MDS preparation. So you can take that PDF online, and if you want to take any topic notes, you can take it online, you can take it offline. Moreover, there is one online program which is running like since more than 4-5 years. That is the Study Manager online program, which is completely run by me, in which you can prepare under my guidance. It is not just a simple coaching where I'll give you the material and you watch the videos and you prepare it yourself. No, the concept is totally different. So for that, it is particular guidance which is given to you according to your schedule, and with the time guidance is also there. Moreover, I have released this year a timer which you can use and help you to do the practice, so that you can have the practice with the timer, especially the MCQ practice with the timer. So if you want the timer, you can DM me on my Instagram ID and ask for this product. The free delivery is there. Or even if you want to ask to just schedule your timetable, book a call and talk to me. I am just a one call away. That's it. Nothing is that much about to panic. It is a normal routine that happens. The only date released to be soon. Whenever it will be released, stay tuned with my channel. Stay tuned with my Instagram ID. You will get all the notices. You will get all the update. We have all the chapters PDF notes which are available online as well as offline. It depends upon you whether you want it online PDF, whether you want it offline PDF. One mool mantra which you need to do at the last moment, even if you are starting your preparation from 1st December 2024 onwards. Do the image based questions. We have 500 plus questions with the explanations in the PDF form. You can take that set because image based questions are very scoring. Syndrome PDF is there. You can take that. You can cover the whole syllabus in just 500 pages in the form of one-liners. You can take that from my team by DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, or by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. You can take the past papers if you want to. Moreover, last year I have released one PDF regarding the last 5-year analysis of the important topics of NEET MDS, which was trending like last year a lot and produced amazing results. So what you are waiting for? This year also you can take that PDF and do the dental as well as medical important points. Now there is one more pro tip. If you are done with the NEET MDS past papers, do go through the INI CET past papers, because if you have seen the video on my channel regarding the NEET MDS 2024 exam analysis, we found that 30 to 40% questions are related to INI CET past paper. So this is a pro tip, that not only just NEET MDS past papers, you need to go through the INI CET past paper. Now the last question is it possible to cover the past papers like 10 years or 12 years in just 1 month? My answer is yes. Book a call, take the schedule of whole day, whole month, whole year, whole 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, prepare it accordingly. And if you feel some stress, you need some counseling, you want to talk, you want to discuss, you want some test series, you want some MCQ practice, I am just a call away. Book a call, talk to me, at least do some magic in the upcoming NEET MDS 2025 examination, which is with the new pattern, that is the time-based MCQ. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share my videos as much possible for you as you can. Thank you for watching.